The workshop solved our problems was that, number one of the big things was I got the team on board. So they could then see what all this advisory stuff was all about. They could physically see it's not some weird and wonderful art. It's actually fairly straightforward and simple. The other big thing I think is the way to demonstrate it to clients. Typically, as accountants, we see our clients at least once a year, and we'd all like that to be more. And to say to a client once a year, we can do some really wonderful things and we'll see you more regularly and etc., but they can't visualize that value. But Clarity gives you the ability to do that, because essentially it's, here's your numbers, here's what they could look like, would you like some help to achieve that? They're going to see their numbers and what they could look like. Of course they're going to want that. They might not all go straight away, but they're going to see it. We can keep revisiting that with our relationship with the client, and over time I can see more and more clients working with us on a deeper level. The visual aspect of Clarity, the simplicity of Clarity, and the fact that it enables the whole team to get involved, they're the three biggest things that I got from our sessions.
I think being in a peer group forces you to take action, and I think by taking action it makes you understand how easy the results are to achieve.
It really showed us how we could have these conversations with clients. Really, I think what sort of came across was how simple it is. It wasn't complex, and also it meant that the team, anyone in the team can follow these same steps, so we're doing it all consistently and we're not missing opportunities as well. So I think, we'd got a real sort of advisory sort of platform which was really scalable for us.
MD really bought in, so we have signed up to Clarity. We're implementing at the moment. What I love about Clarity is the accountability meeting. So in the same way that Clarity encourages you to do that with your clients and actually not just give them a plan and come back in a year's time and see whether they've implemented it or not, there are these regular check-ins. Involving my legal director, although I knew that it wasn't, it would be very accounting focused, again, it really opened her mind to how we can platformize advisory, and she's been thinking about how we can kind of cross-sell some of our legal services by using the Clarity platform. People from quite traditional backgrounds, my accounting directors really see a different way, and he's totally bought into it and on board with it.